Did you know that nearly 18% of the global population suffers from bloating? Yes, you heard that right. According to a recent study, bloating affects people worldwide, ranging from 11% in East Asia to a whopping 20% in Latin America. And get this, bloating tends to decrease with age. But here's the kicker: women are approximately twice as likely as men to report bloating. Understanding the digestive process. Given these stats, it's crucial to understand how our digestive system works. Food moves from your stomach to your intestines, where bacteria digest leftovers, producing gas that can lead to bloating. But fear not, relief is on the way. Natural remedies for relief. With these staggering numbers, finding relief becomes essential. Combat bloating with ginger, fennel seeds, peppermint, and kiwi. These natural remedies can soothe your stomach and ease discomfort. Understanding legumes and FODMAPs. Here's the scoop: legumes like beans and lentils can cause bloating due to oligosaccharides. These complex carbohydrates are part of a group known as FODMAPs, which stands for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. When FODMAPs are poorly absorbed in the small intestine, they can ferment in the colon, leading to gas production and bloating. To minimize discomfort, start small with legumes, rinse canned legumes, and soak dry ones before cooking. Managing FODMAPs and dairy. Watch out for FODMAPs. Foods like dairy can trigger bloating, especially for those with IBS. FODMAPs are also present in dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. Considering a low FODMAP diet under professional guidance can help identify and manage trigger foods, alleviating bloating symptoms. It's essential to work with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to ensure a balanced diet while avoiding FODMAP-rich foods. To wrap up, remember that maintaining digestive comfort goes beyond diet alone. Stay well hydrated with at least 8 glasses of water a day and include hydrating fruits and veggies. Regular exercise, like a 30-minute post-meal walk, can boost digestion and help manage weight. Reduce stress with practices such as mindfulness and yoga to prevent digestive discomfort. Lastly, prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly to support your digestive system. Combining these lifestyle habits with dietary adjustments can effectively reduce bloating and promote overall digestive health. Feel the improvement already? That's the spirit. For more informative topics about your health, visit ClinicSpots. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications for more insightful content. See you next time.